Look at that tree roots, can you see it?
Yeah. Quite a lot.
Yeah, look at that. This is from America. And what it does is spins. So it cuts the outside. Because the tree roots don't come from the middle, they come from the outside. Sand. So turn the machine back on, or I'll turn it back on. There's a blockage between here, the boundary shaft, and the street. There's a lot of sand there, there's a lot of sand in the line now. I have to make sure the line is completely clear. Or it's not 2 years, you're coming back in 2 weeks. Man, we clean, yeah? It's all nice and clean here, see?
Yeah.
Found out why you got tree roots, sweetie. I'm sorry, yeah. I'm so sorry. See that?
Yep.
It's a broken pipe. Watch. Look.
Yeah.
That's actually broken terracotta, look. Yeah, Denny's spot on, bro. Collapsed pipe. Yeah, I'll put the camera in, I can see all the terracotta pipe in pieces. Pipe. It's like normally when they run the sewer pipe, they run it on the external side of the house and they have branches coming through. Unfortunately, in this case, it's been run directly into the house.
Why'd they do that?
Old school plumbers. Hello. Very good. No problem. That pipe up there is for the old kitchen. Or whatever, it's broken, don't worry about it. I've cleared everything from this way back. And look, can you see it's coming towards us now? It's not going back towards the... No. It should be going towards the camera, like away from the camera, not coming to the camera. It means there's a blockage. Yeah, it's from all the sand that we cleaned out. Man. So what have we got? We've pulled all the sand and the bits and pieces out from there. We don't want to leave it. And on from the boundary trap back to the city water main, the line's actually not completely clear because of all the debris and tree roots that we took. So I don't want to get a call back in 6 to 12 months time, whatever it is. And I'm just doing the thing right. Yeah, we do it. So we're cleaning it correctly.
It's done?
No.
Not done?
All done.
All done? Unblocked?
Pack up the camera.
Alright, pack up everything?
Yep.
Let's go home, man.
Not home. Next job.
Found you.
Hello.